This is me. No, I said it many times. If I didn't said it many times, I know. I remember that I said this is me. This is my smartphone and that etc. So I didn't see. So I didn't. So I don't need to say it again. I need to explore some other things around me. There are plenty of things around me like this. Like this crop. This crop is very beautiful. Like this is also very beautiful. This is the same like this. So there are plenty of things around me. Then why I am going to say the same stuff that I used to say? This is the thing I understood. But this is the thing I also need to understand, that I don't need to make this vlog so faster. I mean, I have time. I have time, and that thing is better, that I need to do it with relaxation. Okay, just do it. I talked about it already. I saw the breaks and I said I talked about it already. But if you are interested in this topic, let's check this. These are bricks. They used in construction. This is like a crop that I introduced you. The crop like this crop is ready and this is about to grow. This though same. I'm little much tired, but because of speaking too much, not because of I'm physically tired. Okay, do you guys get it? I am thinking inside that with this approach, I can achieve what I want. Do you want to know why I am going in this position? Because sometimes smartphone makes me tired while I mean this is in my hand and I am using it like that, so it makes me tired. Hey Alpa, sorry, I take my username. It was like at the rate of ALPADILYVLOG. Sorry, sorry for that. Okay, guys, let me know. Well, let me know about no. Let me know about what, guys. Guys, is it possible for you to tell me something that you want to tell to someone, but that someone is busy, or that someone is like that someone has have their own reason not to reach you? If there is anything, I'm here, and I want to listen it with my whole heart. I mean, if you guys comment it, I will look. I will definitely look, and I will thank you guys that you guys gave me importance, that you share something with me. If you have anything, please let me know. I will feel good if you think this, like if you, I mean, I hope you guys get it what I wanted to say. I hope you get it. Guys, this vlog is about to complete in 90 seconds. As this tree is not alone, I shouldn't feel lonely, because this tree is near me and I am near that tree. So I shouldn't feel that way. I shouldn't feel that way, and I should complete this without being silent, because it is not that it is not of that so much that I just need to do this for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and it will be completed with that what I did. No, humans are passing by me and they can notice me, and if they notice me, I feel like that. And it can happen that a human came near here, and they can come. I changed the direction just because I was not looking clear in that direction, so I changed it. Now I need to go away so that I can explore other topics around me. Okay, this is a door, but only I can see it. If you want to see, please wait. This was door. I'm talking about this. This is door, and this is often closed. Let me go. Thank you very much. Bye bye.